Is 4K footage overrated? A growing trend that I've seen on Facebook and on YouTube, which I thought was really interesting, is that 4K is overrated. A lot of the content creators or filmmakers, their reasoning for 4K being overrated was rendering times, storage, things like that I just don't think hold up once you start using it. My first camera didn't have 4K. My drone did. My drone had 4K, and that was the first time I was really able to play with it, and I loved it. And I'm going to give you a couple of reasons why I think 4K is the format to go with. When you're shooting in 4K, one, yes, it's going to take up more storage. Absolutely. It's going to be a higher bit rate. It's going to be higher resolution. So you're going to use up more of your memory card. You're going to use up more of your storage. Those things are valid. I do agree with that. But the upside of 4K is the versatility of it. When you can crop in a shot, you can tilt a shot, you can rotate it, you can do a lot of different things because you have so much to work with. But what I think going forward is that 4K is going to be the standard. Right now, it's more of a feature on YouTube or on Amazon. There's different videos that will feature 4K. And so it's more of like a bonus right now, but it's not the standard. And eventually it will be the standard. When monitors and bandwidth and everything starts to catch up, it will be the standard. And if you're shooting in 4K now, or you've been shooting in 4K, all your videos are going to look amazing and they're not going to look so dated. And I think a lot of businesses are going to require 4K. It'll be more of a standard. So shooting in it now, understanding how to use it now, and understanding how to manage 4K. When I say manage, I'm talking about storage. One thing that I did about a year and a half ago was upgrade to a PC from a Mac, and that rendering time dropped significantly with upgrading my computer with the graphics card and the CPU and everything. It helped that render time. So I got rid of that. Storage, I moved to a server. So I have my own dedicated server for all my work. I'm going to do a separate video all on that, where I can talk about how I did that, my workflow and everything to manage 4K so it works out. 2021 and beyond, I think you're going to see more and more 4K. 1080p, 720p has its place for sure. And if it has a higher bit rate, it still looks really, really good. But I think understanding how to work in 4K is really going to help you moving forward.